This video demonstrates the installation of a continuous waste center outlet for a double bowl sink. Start by making sure the tailpiece nut has been removed from the sink strainer. Place the tailpiece washer onto the tailpiece and feed the nut up the pipe. Screw the tailpiece nut onto the strainer to attach the tailpiece. Hand tighten the nut. Repeat for both sides of the sink. Remove the tailpiece and cut to size with a hacksaw. Reinstall the tailpiece by hand tightening the tailpiece nut and washer onto the strainer. Mark and cut both arms to correct length using a hacksaw. Longer arms can be purchased separately if necessary for your installation. Feed the slip joint nut up the tailpiece, followed by the slip joint washer. Repeat for both sides of the sink. Connect the waste arm to the tailpiece by tightening the nut and washer to the bent side of the arm. Feed the slip joint nut followed by a slip joint washer onto the waste arm. Connect the T to the waste arm by hand tightening the slip joint nut and washer. Connect the second waste arm to the T with the slip joint nut and washer. Connect the waste arm to the tailpiece by hand tightening the nut and washer that are already in place. Adjust the waste arms on the tailpiece to make the installation as level as possible. This will ensure proper drainage on both sides of the sink. Feed a slip joint nut followed by a slip joint washer up the outlet of the T. Attach the T to the P-trap or other drain by hand tightening the slip joint nut and washer. Use the appropriate connection piece to finalize your drainage installation.